Starting a Lamborghini with a key is easy. Let me show you. Foot on the brake, hit the start button, and away we go. And that's the exact reason why I don't want it to get stolen. That's why I've got 24-hour security to keep my car safe. No, not Justin. One of these, a Can Phantom. This device here will stop any vehicle from being stolen. Henry's gonna install this device in my car, and I'll be back in an hour to see how it works. So it's an hour later, will my car start?
No.
Let's try it. Foot on the brake as before, start button. Nothing. The only way I'm gonna be able to start this car is with a code. There is loads and loads of combinations you can do and loads of different buttons you can use. So it's left, right, down, and lock. Indicators are flashed. Even if someone has your key, they can't start the car. If someone clones your key, if someone scans the front of your house, they can't start your car. The only way this car will now start is with a key and a code. This can be fitted onto any car, is that correct?
Any car.
So yes, this is a Lamborghini, but the most common cars that are getting stolen at the moment are the Range Rovers, the BMWs, and the Audis. Can Phantom, fit it, keep it.